Welcome to sunny Florida. We are out here at 3409 Woody Court, located in Ridgewood Estates. This home sits on a beautiful spot located in beautiful Ellenton, Florida. We're going to go right inside the house and show you what we have going on here. To your left, we have a nice dining room area that walks right into your wide open kitchen. Lots of windows in this house, brings nice brightness to it. Everything you see comes with the home. This is actually the dining room. The place we just went by was the breakfast nook. I apologize. Over here to the right is going to be our wide open living room. Very, very spacious. This place has all brand new floors. This is the guest bathroom. Over here to the left is the guest bedroom. As we walk into the master bedroom, we're going to walk to the bonus room. This room out here, you can actually put your washer and dryer in. It has a hookup over here to the right. We're going to go to the bonus room. This is under air conditioned, so it is part of the square footage. Nice windows that make it everything bright. And back in the back is where the washer and dryer is. Lots of space. So if you would like to see this home is listed at $39,800. Give us a call at 941-345-5583 or visit us on the web at www.ridgewoodmobilehomes.com. That's ridgewoodmobilehomesplural.com.